Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending cinematic Instagram reels using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed CapCut application, and then I'm going to open the CapCut, and instead of choosing new project, I'm going to choose templates here, and I'm going to use template to create trending cinematic Instagram reels. Okay, here guys, you can search for trending cinematic reels. Okay, trending cinematic Instagram reels, and by using template guys, it will help you to boost your content because it's trending. And you just need to choose one of the templates that you need or that you will use to create your Instagram reels. And I'm going to choose this one. Okay, this small ratio because this kind of reel is trending on Instagram guys, and I'm going to use it to create my Instagram reels. Okay, we just need to click on use template, and then you can replace the videos in the template with your own video. Okay, and we need 7 clips or 7 items, and I'm just going to choose video, and I'm going to choose video from my gallery. I'm going to pick random video guys. Oops, I cannot import this element. Okay, let's try this one, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, I have already selected 7 items from my gallery, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, and then let's see how it looks. And wow, that's so cool. And you can add the tags if you want. Just go to the tags, and then you can replace it with your own text. And you can also replace the photo or the video that you have imported. Like this, if you want to replace it, you can also trim and add folder. And once you're done, you can click on export. And to remove the CapCut watermark, you can choose export without watermark, and you can choose resolution here and click on export without watermark, and the video will be saved to your device, and after that you'll be able to share it to your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.